Hey y'all, it's me, Slayed by Jordan. All right, y'all. The company we are working with today is Alipearl Hair. Let's first look at all the goodies that came inside my packaging. They sent me over this Body Wave 24-inch 13 by 6 HG lace wig. As you can see, the HG lace is lacing. The hairline is pre-plucked to perfection, and the knots come fully bleached. And also, y'all, the wig comes fully curled. You can literally take this fresh out the box and install it. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm using my Ruby Kisses of a 14, the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm putting that all over the lace. I'm okay with it. It's really come to me, they'll play with it. See, on me, it's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down. And like I was saying in the beginning of the video, I took this wig fresh out the box. I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck this wig. I did not dye it. I did not wash it. I did not do nothing. It actually came even curled for me. I just took it straight out the box and I wanted to install it for you because I want to show you all that these companies are really stepping their game up. You can literally take a wig fresh out the box and go ahead and install it. And this wig actually came with 3 combs in the inside and 2 adjustable straps, so you can wear it glueless as well. However, y'all know I just like to glue my wigs down on my clients, but whatnot. You can literally take this wig fresh out the box, y'all. So like, really look into the description box and look at the information on the wig so you can purchase yours. I'm pretty sure there's going to be some coupon codes down there. You don't want to miss out. Right now, I'm just sewing the wig down. I've already applied my adhesive off camera and now I'm just smoothing it out. Make sure you smooth this out as evenly as possible and that you let each layer turn clear before you apply the next. Today we did 3 layers. We're going to come back once that 3rd layer has turned clear and we're going to go ahead and lay that lace down. And that should be right about now. If you haven't already, go ahead and cut out your ear tabs before you tie that lace down with that band. And now we're going to blow dry that lace for about 1 minute, interchanging between warm and cool air, and then we're going to come back and tie it down. But before we tie it down, we're going to go ahead and part off the hair. Today I'll be doing a side part. I know the wig comes in the middle part, but it is a full 13 by 6, so you have the option to style this wig however you want to. You can do middle parts, side parts, half up, half downs. You can do braids, all that good jazz. So I was like, let me switch it up to a side part to show y'all the versatility of the wig as well. Her hair was tied down for about 10 minutes, so now we're going to take that band off and we're going to cut off all the excess lace. I did blow dry the hair off camera because I knew that I was going to go back in and recurl it. However, like I said, this hair does come curl fresh out the box, y'all, so you don't have to do anything to it. Y'all know I just like to put my little stank on it, you know.
So now I'm taking my wax stick and we're going to define our part and get it more straighter. And then I'm going to hot comb everything down just to get it flat. And then we're going to part out our baby hairs.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing.
I'm going to use my even spray in the middle to melt her lace down as we need a little bit more help. And then on the sides, I'm going to use my Hair Flex hairspray. Once you get done spraying your lace with your hairspray, you're going to tie it down again with your melt band.
Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will.
We let that band sit on her head for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to take it off and proceed to do our baby hairs. We're going to tie her hair down with about 3 wrap strips, and then we're going to proceed to curling this wig.
To the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between?
I'm using my T3 1.25 inch curling iron today on the second hottest setting. setting, and we're just going to curl everything away from the face. I do want to say I really enjoyed curling this wig because for one, this wig was very thick. Number two, the wig just curled very beautifully. Like, it held a great curl. Like, I didn't have any issues with this wig at all. Like, it held a great curl.
Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Just you good, it's done jazzy, done jazzy. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job of the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. I so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I be for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace I've got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question. No get the answer. Bossa, do be do. Yeah, go sing a salad when you dey move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you dey look. Till I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like to lesu. Got to one you console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God up. Make them they talk up. That's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace I've got an inshallah with them over. Question, but they no get the answer.
And while your curls are pinned, go ahead and spray them with a flexible hold hairspray while they cool off. And once they're done cooling off, we're going to take off that wrap strip and, customize our baby hairs off camera. And now we're about to drop these pin curls, baby. And you're going to see these curls are juicy, baby. I'm also going to add a little powder to her part just to make her part more defined and more visible. And then we're going to start combing out these curls, y'all. And as you can see, her curls look good right now, but I'm telling y'all, if you were to comb your curls together a little more, it'll give a more polished look. Like, look how I went from, like, you know, like that messy bedhead look to now that I'm combing everything together, it looks like super polished. And it's almost like, girl, who did your hair? Like, your curls are perfect. All it takes, y'all, is a little bit more combing. That's all you gotta do. Let's get into that final look, y'all. I want to thank Alipearl so much for sending me this bum, easygoing body wave wig. Make sure you check the description box below for more information on how you can get you one. I thank you all so much. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.